Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first to show you, to go to the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap on this icon, and as can you see, we are just logged in into 2 accounts, and just to log out from this account, tap here to manage accounts on this device. And here, as can you see, we got these 2 accounts. Just we select, for example, we'll just remove the first one. Just tap here on the account, and here tap to the remove account and confirm by tap again to the remove account. And as you can see, we just stay only with one account, and now we'll check that in application. Yes, as can you see, right now we got here just one logged in account in our Gmail application. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.